Russia's most modern tank, the T-90M, keeps seeing heavy losses. As the tank is more vulnerable than ever, it can still have massive beneficial effects on the battlefield, but is needed to be protective so expensive equipment doesn't get lost by a cheap artillery round, drone, mine or anti-tank weapon. So far Russia has failed to protect their most valuable and capable tank effectively, which has caused major losses. Letting damaged tank to be taken out completely by cheap means. In this case a hand grenade that should basically do no damage to a tank, but as the grenade can be dropped inside the hatch, the reaction turns up quickly, completely destroying the tank, taking out another of Russia's most modern tank, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.